How to get rid of AI on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get rid of Snapchat AI. Now, basically Snapchat is forcing this feature on everyone and there is no any particular way that you can remove it. However, there is a couple of options that you can try. The first and foremost is uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Simply uninstall Snapchat app and reinstall it back and log into your account, and this might remove the feature for you. If this doesn't help, what you can do is open up Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen and head into your chats here, and at the very top you'll find My AI right there. Simply tap and hold on My AI that chat there and tap on chat settings here. You'll find the option message notifications. Now this is enabled by default, so simply turn this off and then tap on OK or done. Now once you do this, you won't be getting any notifications from Snapchat AI, and the other thing you want to make sure is don't interact with it. Now if you don't interact with the Snapchat AI, it won't interact back with you on its own. So basically don't interact it and it won't cause much of hindrance to you. So this way you can get rid of Snapchat AI. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.